Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day, and today is the last trading day of the week. But if you look at, we are entering towards the end of the second quarter. I always recommend to my traders, if you have a positive portfolio this month, just enjoy your profit and look forward to the next quarter. But being an intraday trader, we managed some decent pips today, even though market was consolidated. But let me share with you guys how I analyze today and help my traders to squeeze some profit. Let's dig into the system. As always mentioned, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD and pound dollar and dollar CAD. So if you look at the pound Euro USD, and if you look at this week, we haven't seen any big moves, but we're still waiting the price, this pattern. Let's see here, we have symmetric triangle pattern is developed. Let's see how the market is going to react next week. But we managed some long trade here and bank few PPs on Euro USD. Let me share with you the entries. That was a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, this morning, London, just before London open, on live analysis, I mentioned to look for, we already had this breakout at the Asian session, which is, you can see here, based on that. So as after that, as always, after the breakout, as long as the momentum is bullish, so we're expecting another pullback. That's the London morning session analysis, guys. You can see here we had a beautiful pullback as soon as the price hit the previous high. Because we don't have any high impact news to explain, my trader, it's time to enjoy some few PPs or move your stop loss at the break even. And let's see at the New York session. As you can see here, at the New York session, price came back here, even the momentum developed bearish, but here you can see here price nicely respected here. As explained to my trader, this is the way we have look at, and if the price gonna break this one, then we're going to take a short trade here. And if the price gonna break after the breakout price retest, that's the good sign for long here. As you can see here, exactly price broke on this previous high. After this breakout, price retest. That's the beautiful. As soon as the price hit this level, plus if you look at in 4 hour, that's the major resistance level. And explain my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit. That was a beautiful trade. Okay, so cable, we also had a few decent trade. Some of the traders are still holding short now. And if you look at the 4 hour chart, we were expecting this breakout, and price failed to break this. You can see here, price respected here, still symmetric triangle pattern. We had this long trade here. I was expecting if the price gonna break, it's gonna shoot up, but we had this long trade here, and now some of the traders are still holding. But let's see here, short trade. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit. That was the beautiful trade here. If you look at here, we had an in and out on pound dollar. That was you can see here, this once the price develop a false breakout, that's what we're looking here. And once the price develop a false breakout, because that's another sign for us, we were looking here at this level breakout. So price nicely broken, momentum was bullish. That was a beautiful. As soon as the price hit to this level in 4 hour, that's what I explained to my trader. Let's wait for the bank some profit and let's see if we can get another pullback. We eventually had one small pullback at this level, but I said to guys, let's wait. So after that, price broken this previous, and as explained to my trader through live analysis, as long as the price stay below this, look for all pullback. We have 1, 2, 3 pullbacks. So that's only few PPs, but the price refused to break this level. But I also did this analysis. So look for this breakout, and if you're looking at, but based on this analysis, I guess just banking some profit. So we have few PPs, and some of the traders came out at the break even. But then I did this analysis, as you can see here. As guys, we have another symmetric triangle pattern. Price refused to break this level. So beautiful. Once the price developed this pattern, and explain my trader, look for another breakout price in the previous high. So you can see here we have another beautiful long trade here. Once we price hit to the previous high in 4 hour, bank some profit. After banking some profit, I said to guys, looks like we had bull flag pattern, and if the price gonna break, as you can see here, price refused to break. And then if you look at here, we look at in a depth. If you look at the bottom, momentum was bearish, and look at here inside the pattern, we have head and shoulder pattern, and the price respected at the major resistance level. So that was the another short trade here, and the target was the first fib channel, which price nicely hit to the target, and few traders are still holding it. But by the end, we managed few PPs. The best trade we had, that was the dollar CAD today, guys. We were short here technically we were short from the Asian session. Let me explain to you why I'm saying that. If you look at here in Asian session, I explained to my trader if the price is going to stay above this level, then possibility of long. But we, as mentioned in my previous analysis, we all had this pattern. So we were looking here that this is the target. So if the price can respect this level, then possibility of reversal. And that's what I did at the Asian session analysis. Let me share with you. And I also did the morning session analysis. Based on that, we had amazing trade. Okay, right. So if you look at here, this is the analysis at the Asian session. As always mentioned through live analysis. To explain to my trader, look for this one. If you look at here, price develop this. If the price gonna break, then we're going to take a long. Otherwise, look for short trade here. As you can see here, price broken and retest this pattern. And we have another short trade here just before London. At the London morning, we have bank some price hit to the support level. Explain my trader, it's time to bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. And let's see if you can get another pullback short trade here. And that's what I updated that analysis instantly. Once we bank few PPs, as you can see here, that was the beautiful. And the trader was expecting possibility of reversal because the price was at this level. And that's what I explained my trader. Look, if the price is going to break and retest, then we're looking at long. Otherwise, continuation because the momentum is bearish. And that's what happened here. We haven't seen any pullback here. Price came back, momentum was bearish. And after that, we have another one. We announced all these analysis, and the target was at the 4-hour major support level. And if you look at here, we have the final target, which is second fifth channel. Price nicely hit, and explain my traders time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, even today market was consolidated, but being an intraday, how we squeeze PPs alongside with the 4-hour analysis. I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. And that's the interesting part of it. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill with the live market through live intraday analysis in real time. And once you develop your trading skill, you can also get funded. And if you're interested how I coach and train trader live every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my team member will help you how to become a successful trader and get funded. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trading community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.